Today we'll learn the two key terms general and specific and discover one easy trick for determining if a question is general or specific. So everything you learn in religion and society can be broken down into two categories. And the first one is general, and they're the theoretical concepts that underpin the subject, such as 8 aspects and significant life experiences and challenges and responses. And these can be applied to any religious tradition. It doesn't matter if you're Christian or Buddhist or Muslim, you're going to have significant life experiences and you're going to be studying the 8 aspects and need to define them. So that's the general stuff, can be applied to any religious tradition. The second category is specific material, and that's the stuff you learn for a specific religious tradition. For me, that's Roman Catholicism. So for me, my specific material would include the Bible, quotes from popes and saints, encyclicals, and the specific examples we use for each outcome. So how can I tell if a question that I'm answering is general or specific? Because if I get it wrong, I'll get no marks at all. So let's have a look at a couple of questions. A general question might look like this. Define the term rituals, and we'd give a general answer that doesn't refer to any religious tradition. For example, a ritual is a formal ceremony that consists of a series of actions and or words that are performed according to a prescribed order which achieves a sacred purpose. Fantastic, I've defined the term rituals and I've not used any Catholic examples. A specific question would look like this. How is one distinctive belief of a religious tradition you have studied expressed in rituals? And for this, I might write that the distinctive belief of the incarnation in the Roman Catholic tradition is expressed in the ritual of Eucharist, in which the body and blood of Christ is really and genuinely present. How do I know that that's a specific question? Because it's got these key words. A religious tradition you have studied. Every single specific question you answer on the exam will have these words. A religious tradition you have studied. Let's have a look at one more example. What value do beliefs have in dealing with significant life experiences? There is no tradition in there, so we have to answer that generally. The specific question might look like this. How did beliefs influence the significant life experiences of a group or member of a religious tradition you have studied? And we'll see there, those key words are in the question. A religious tradition you have studied. So, look for those key words in a question, in your exams or your SACs, and if you find them, give your specific information and knowledge. If you don't find them, it has to be a theoretical answer. In our next video, we'll be looking at how to answer a general question if you don't know the answer. See you then.